Hey guys, it's Mai from My Healthy Dish, and today I am making beef pho. I found a shortcut to making beef pho in under 20 minutes. Okay, so you guys know that beef broth takes like 4 to 6 hours to simmer, so I bought store-bought beef broth. And all we're gonna do is layer flavors in the beef broth to make it pho. See that like rich dark amber color, 1 onion and 2 cloves of garlic, rock sugar. You can use regular sugar if you don't know where to find it. It's pretty easy to find at Asian markets, but just rock, it looks like a rock. Fish sauce. This is like liquid gold in any Vietnamese house. We always have it in hand. And a pinch of salt. We're just gonna let that come to a boil. So I have fennel seed, 1 stick of cinnamon, and star anise. So the reason why I heat it up is because it releases some of the natural oils. I'm gonna add our spices to our broth. You could definitely use a tea bag if you don't want to scoop all of this out, but I'm gonna strain everything at the end anyway, so I didn't use a tea bag for that. And we're just gonna let this simmer for 20 minutes. Yes, beef pho in 20 minutes. The rice noodle is really easy to make. You just dunk it in hot water for like 10 seconds and take it out, and you're done. Because we have hot broth, we're gonna pour it in. I'm gonna add some bean sprouts, which is great for fiber. This is our Thai basil and some green onion. So I have here sirloin steak that we froze and then we sliced really, really thin. You see how paper thin that is? It's almost translucent. That's what you want because the hot broth is gonna cook it for us. Okay, I'm just gonna use this strainer. It's like super hot. And we're gonna cook the beef in the hot broth. And the bean sprouts are going to cook too. What I like to do is to squeeze a little bit of lime. If you go to the pho restaurants, you always see a bottle of hoisin and sriracha. Have to have it in my pho. Just mix this all together. It smells so good. My daughter is staring at me. She wants to try. Honey, do you want to try it? So if you like this recipe, go to myhealthydish.com.